Hello and welcome to my page. In PowerShell, variables are used to store and manage data or values. They serve as placeholders that can hold various types of information, such as numbers, text, objects, or collections. In PowerShell, the $sign is used to declare and reference variables. When you prefix a word or a name with the $sign, it signifies that you're working with a variable. When creating variables in PowerShell, it's important to follow certain rules and conventions to ensure your code is clear and functional. Variable names are not case-sensitive, but it's a common convention to use camel case or lowercase for variables. Loosely typed. These variables are not bound to specific data types, and their data type can change dynamically. This means you can store values of different types in the same variable, making it flexible but requiring careful handling to avoid unexpected behavior. Strongly typed. These variables are bound to specific data types when declared, and their data type remains fixed throughout their lifetime. Type checking is enforced at compile time, ensuring consistency and reducing the risk of type-related errors. Here is a list of common data types. Let's open ISE and create some variables. Let's create our new variable and put a value of 24. To call the variable, we have to type the variable name and hit F5 or click the Run button. Now, let's try creating the same variable, but this time, let's put a string. For creating a string variable, you can either use single quotation or double quotation marks. However, you may need to be careful when you are creating strings using the same marks at the same time. I'll discuss this one later. Since we are only running selected lines of code, we have to use F8 hit the run selection icon. There's our new value for our variable $var, and this is a sample of the loosely typed variable that we have discussed earlier. To get the data type of our variable, you can type the variable name, get type.name. Our first variable value 24 is an integer. Let's copy this command to check our next variable. Select the 3 lines and hit F8 or click the Run selection button. Loosely typed variables are okay with simple and shorter codes, but you may encounter issues when you use this type of variable for your complex and longer codes. Let's turn our loosely typed variables to strongly typed. We can declare our variable value 24 as an integer by putting int or int32 on a square brackets. Remember, utilizing strongly typed variables in complex scripts enhances type safety and code reliability. To test this one, let's recreate our variable and place a string value. Select the lines, then hit F8 or the Run selection button. We are expecting an error since we've already declared the type of this variable earlier. I will discuss more about the basics of PowerShell variables in my next video. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your support. Please consider subscribing to our channel and clicking the notification bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.